Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. First of all, I want to introduce myself. My name is Azira Hoirun Najwa and I'm from English Education 2024. Here I want to review a journal. The title is Verbal and Non-Verbal Communication Insight from EFL Classroom Interactions. The authors is Muhammad Hollandia, Dian Erlina, Leni Marzulina Herizal, Hikmah Zalifa Putri, and Farah Junior from UIN Raden Patah Palembang. The purpose of the study is the study aims to examine the types and function of verbal and non-verbal communication used by an EFL teachers in a classroom settings and how these forms of communication support students' language learning. The design of the study, the researchers use a qualitative case study design, classroom interaction where observed and analyzed through interviews and video recordings to explore communication patterns. The location and participant of the study was conducted at SMA YPI Tunas Bangsa Palembang. Participants included one English teachers and students from a selected English class chosen through purpose sampling. The data collection. The data were collected through classroom observations, semi-structured interviews. The researchers used video recording, photo, and audio documentation to capture facial expressions and others non-verbal clues. Interviews were conducted to gain further insight into the teacher's rationale and perspective on her communication style. The data analysis, thematic analysis, was used to analyze the data. The researchers transcribed the classroom interaction, identified the coding communicative patterns, coded relevant segments, and organized them into categories such as type of communication and their specific function. This approach allowed them to describe communications holistically and systematically. Major findings: the teachers used two forms of verbal communications, oral and written, and 8 terms of nonverbal communications: facial expressions, gesture, posture, eye contact, appearance, touch, personal speech, and voice. Verbal communication help deliver material clearly, while nonverbal communication supported classroom control, motivation, attention, and emotional clues, creating a more effective learning atmosphere. Connection with relevant studies, teachers' multimodal communication strategies and their influence on EFL students, classroom participants, written by A. Pamudita and Ilwai Hartanti, was published in the Indonesian Journal of Applied Linguistics in 2021, volume 11, number 3, page 4, 4021 to 4030. The study found that teachers who combine clear verbal explanations with effective nonverbal clues such as gesture, facial expressions, and responsiveness during EFL lessons. The integrations of multimodal communication help create a more engaging learning atmosphere, encourages students to interact, and improve the overall flow of classroom interactions. I think that's all for me. Thank you for watching. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.